Hi guys!
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel! Today I'm gonna do cookies! I'm
Yes!
so excited today!
Today we're going to make cookies for a really special occasion. Follow this video to the end to see why.
Why? Why?
Now, we need the following ingredients. So, we need gingerbread mix, a little bit of water, and some melted butter.
And of course, this one.
Yes, gingerbread biscuit mix. Oops.
Open it up.
Okay, do you want to put it in the bowl? All of it. A little bit more.
And this.
Wow, can you smell this? It smells nice.
What
Okay.
is this one now?
And this bag as well.
I'll open it.
Oh, here you go. It's a little bit less in here. Perfect. Now, you need this to mix the butter and the water. Let's add a little bit of water. You want to add the water?
You can put it and I'll stir.
Okay, you can stir.
Whoa, that's it.
You can stir it, stir it.
Okay.
And now, should we add the butter now?
Yes. Of course. Now.
Let's stir it really good.
A few moments later.
Little bit.
And we need to mix it really well. And once we finish mixing, it should look like this. It looks like a ball, isn't it? Okay, now we have to roll it with a little bit of flour on the table. Whoops!
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah. And
Coconut.
now let's roll it. Okay, I'll give you a little bit. Let's do half. You can have this half.
Wow.
Let's roll it. And then we can do shapes.
That's cool.
That's cool.
Up there it has shape.
You want to roll a bigger one? You want to roll this one?
No. Oh, this is little. This is for you.
Yes, thank you. Ah, we're gonna make some really nice cookies.
Well,
Roll it.
tight.
Yeah. So, we have some shapes. We have a flower,
And stuff.
star. We have a heart. Wow, we even have a
Butterfly.
butterfly. I'm gonna start with the butterfly.
I'll start with this.
What is that?
It's a star.
A star.
You guessed.
Wow.
You guessed it.
Whoa, butterfly. Look, Antonia.
Yay!
We leave it here for now, and that's going to go in the oven.
I'll make.
Okay. You want a heart?
No, the butterfly. The
Okay.
Thank you.
Perfect. Press it really hard. Nice. Yeah. Let me help you.
Alright.
Little bit.
Yay! I did it!
You did it. Well done.
I want this. Lovely. And do I make this?
Oh, I love you too.
good one. Oh, I know this. Oh.
We have a lot of friends here looking at us right now, making cookies. We're gonna teach them to make cookies as well.
We're still here. Yay!
We finished making our cookies. We made all sorts of shapes. What do we have here? Butterflies, gingerbread men. What else?
Everything.
Everything. Circles, hearts. And now we're gonna put them in the oven.
Yay, we did.
And once they're ready, we're gonna come back and show you guys how they look like and decorate them.
A few moments later.
We are back and we are doing the fun part now. Decorating. Our cookies are ready.
I got the pink one.
You got the pink one? Let's see. Wow, there are 3 other colors in here. Yellow, white, orange and pink. And let's see which colors I have.
Wow, you got
I have black,
red.
red,
I got pink.
I have blue as well,
You got green.
and green. Okay, if you want, you can choose from these ones as well. And I can choose from your ones.
Green one.
You want green? Okay. We need some plates actually.
Okay.
Which cookie you want? You want to do the butterfly first?
Yes,
Okay, and I'm going to do a butterfly as well. So, here you go. Let's try and decorate them. Today to thank you, all of our 500 friends on YouTube, for subscribing to our channel. Thank you guys for your support.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
We can eat now.
I like this one.
I'm gonna try the butterfly. We're gonna eat now.
Okay, yummy.